na Nubabaw Kabalin. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And we are featuring for today's vlog, Jules!
This is a new restaurant na matatagpuan dito sa may Telabastagan and another option for you to dine in.
Well, actually, it's a complete restaurant. It's a pub, it's a bar, meron din siyang coffees, meron din siyang food for all ages. I mean, kids up until adults, mag-enjoy po sila dito. And if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Coming in here, medyo maulan yung pagpunta natin, but that doesn't stop us from discovering great places, guys. So, good thing, yan, although meron siyang alfresco dito, meron din tayong indoor dining, air condition, and then dito sa pinaka-side natin, meron tayong stage for bands. So, every night, guys, meron tayong band dito. Iba-iba yung bands natin. We're gonna feature them later on. Pero I think ready na yung table natin, so we gotta get inside. Tingnan natin mga sinaserve nila.
Welcome to Jules Restaurant, Kapampangan!
Ako po Jules Laksamana, owner ng Jules Restaurant. Traditional na Kapampangan yung hilig mo. So, mag-pass down through generation. Mag-umpisa ka rin lola ko hanggang ang tatang ko. Anak ko. So, king cuisine, Kapampangan, American, Mexican tamo. Mas masanting marakala choice rin tao. Saka quality and quantity tamo na affordable naman. Live band tamo po, everyday po yan, 8 to 11 p.m. Pwede lang po mag-event, lalo na ikakatamong place, maluwalas niya.
So on our table, syempre papakilala natin yung mga dishes natin. Meron tayong grilled tuna, nilasing na hipon, grilled squid, meron din tayong crablets, barbecue platter, tokwat baboy, nachos loaded beef, meron din tayong legs quarter inasal, supreme pizza, syempre yung pinagmamalaki nilang Jules Burger, meron din tayong kare-kareng bagnet, bulalo, rib eye steak, and yung kanilang sizzling Kenchi steak. So meron din tayong Waldorf salad, Asian chicken salad, Jules Louisiana, and kanilang dessert na leche flan.
So sa kanilang mga cocktails, meron tayong Black Orchid, Tequila Sunrise, Juice Spike Tea, meron ding Mai Tai, Frozen Margarita, Watermelon Mule, meron din tayong Honey Mint, which is wow, grabe, I saw that prepared earlier. Yun yung titikman ko mamaya. Meron din tayong Girls Night Out, coffee, meron tayong Mocha Frap, Double Ice Vanilla Latte, Caramel Macchiato Frap, and Coffee Latte. And meron tayong fresh buko. Alright, so once again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Sobrang thankful kami rin kay Jules Restaurant for this amazing table. It only shows guys, you have a lot of options when you go here, no?
So meron tayo dito mga iba't ibang klaseng food. So syempre meron tayong mga pang appetizer, meron din tayong mga pang fine dine.
Fine dine,
Syempre
yes,
meron
yes,
din tayong
yes.
pang family type.
Exactly. So, we have grilled section, we have pizza, we have yung mga
All-time favorite natin ng mga
Pinoy meals,
Pinoy
like
meals.
bulalo, no?
Yeah.
You have your sizzling steak. Wow, grabe, ang dami talaga. So, papasalamat kami kay Jules for, again, being generous to us. Alright, so I wanna try this one. Ikaw naman, syempre, I know.
Sa akin yung kanilang rib eye steak.
Rib eye steak. So, while we are taste testing yung mga menu natin, what can you say about the place, bro?
So syempre yung place napakaganda. So napaka-aliwalas. Meron siyang alfresco kung gusto mo naman
Yes.
ng medyo nature type. So meron din siyang mga air-conditioned rooms. Syempre
Yes.
sa mga pang-family.
What Jules is trying to have for our customers is option.
Yes. Mag-enjoy sila dito not only for the place, and even syempre yung mga pagkain natin dito.
Right. Jules Resto is a one-stop shop for dining. So you have your coffee, you have your liquor, you have your bands, You have your fine dining. If you're gonna go here for a date,
Yes.
no? Kung gusto naman yung parang cowboy na pagkain, so meron silang grill dito. Like for this one, mga all-time favorite nating mga inihaw.
Yes. So meron dito tayong chicken ass, meron din tayong mga isaw, chicken head, yan no, helmet kung other term.
Diba? So you go here for a chill, for a drink, for a food, very suitable. No need to go to another place. Dito na lahat.
So talagang marami kang pagpipilian.
Exactly. Alright, so another dish I wanna really try is kanina pagdating ng dish na to, it was really sizzling. It's oozing, it's hot, it's smoky. So, na-intriga ako guys, na-intriga ako. Gusto ko siya tikman.
So that is the sizzling Kenchi steak.
Okay.
Siyempre ako naman titignan ko nilang yung kanilang signature na Jules Burger. Yan no?
Wow. So for the steak guys, meron siyang bone marrow, it has some mushroom, of course the steak, and you know, some vegetables to taste.
Napakalaki nitong signature nilang burger.
Sobrang laki nito.
So yung burger nila, ang laki ng patty, at the same time,
Cheesy.
overflowing yung cheese niya.
Wow!
So something interesting dito is meron siyang crab meat.
I think first time kong marinig yan sa mga burgers na may
Yes.
crab meat ang burger. No?
So let's taste it.
A little bit of trivia guys, yung Kenchi is actually bulalo steak. So, hindi man kayo familiar dun sa pangalan, at least the menu behind it, you're gonna be familiar. So, napakalambot, it has bone marrow, and I think sobrang aromatic nung meat. That's what I can say.
Yung kanilang Jules Burger, iba yung lasa compared sa mga usual burger nila. Feeling ko yung crab meat yung nagdala. At the same time, what is interesting here is yung kanilang patty is homemade. So sila yung gumagawa ng mga patties nila. So talagang quality.
As soon as you come here and experience the food, you're gonna tell it to everybody na this place is existing. Yeah. Kaya nga, sabi ko kanina, Jules Resto is a one-stop shop for dining experience right after your heavy meal.
Yes.
You can chill out with, you know, a hot coffee or mga frap na katulad nito. So this one is a caramel macchiato, my favorite.
So syempre naman yung kanilang double iced vanilla latte. Man.
Whoa. So, isa pa sa mga appetizer nila is this tokot bawang. Ayan. So I'm gonna try it as well.
And it looks appetizing. No? So
Actually,
parang,
it's very colorful.
napaka-loaded niya with tofu and yung
Pork
baboy
natin,
itself.
And even the
Siyempre,
color.
titikman ko rin.
Yung color natin,
Siyempre, titikman ko rin.
Alright.
And ang bango niya.
Oh, wow, that's hot. Oh, wow. Seriously, that's hot.
Sarap. Ito yung mga type of food na talagang mapapakanin siya.
Exactly. I can't stop being impressed sa Jules Resto. I mean, for those of you who are into pizza lover naman, so they have pizza available here. So let me try this one. I'm gonna try their pizza.
Ako naman yung kanilang, one of the best seller nila is yung kanilang, lalo na sa mga family, is yung kanilang kare-karing bagnet. So alam naman natin yung kare-kare is one of our favorite when it comes sa mga ganitong klaseng luto.
Right?
You know?
Yep.
Crispy outside, juicy inside, then let's taste it.
Oh, yeah.
Napaka-impressive ng mga food nila dito.
Oh, wow.
Invite na kayo pong mamasyal Kening Restaurant, located at MacArthur Highway, Telabastagan, Bayo po Malboro.
So there you go guys, sabi ko nga sa inyo, a lot of food, a lot of options when you go here. So if you are interested to, check out, Jules Restaurant po is located dito sa MacArthur Highway, Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. I think ang pinaka-landmark natin dito is malapit siya dun sa Mabuhay, Cockpit Arena.
So Jules Restaurant is open from 11 a.m. until 12 a.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yun. So guys, if you are a family who's looking for place for your kids and your spouse, if you're yung mga millennials naman na naghahanap ng bagong hangout, this is the place to be, guys. You have a lot of options. I think that's one word na gusto kong ipaalala sa inyo, no? You have a lot of options dito po sa Jules Restaurant. So if you wanna try it out, please give this video a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and tag mo yung best friend mo na gustong ipunta dito.
So yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.